Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. My name is Ferman Alfiansyah and I am studying in University Ahmad Dahlan Information System. Today I would like to discuss about how to make some food and my unforgettable moment. First, I will explain about how to make seblak and then I will tell about my unforgettable moment. How to make seblak recipe. The material is first, crackers kanji 50 grams, can add meatballs, sauce, cut into thin. The second is 1 chicken egg in the whipped, 1 stalk green onion finely sliced, 1 stalk celery chopped. Next is fried onions, you can adjust, and soy sauce, you can adjust too. Don't forget right amount of oil. For the seasoning blend, cayenne 5 pieces, red onion 2 cloves, 1 clove garlic, celery 1 pieces, and kencur 3 cm. Okay, next we're going to cook. First, heat water to boiling and soak raw cracker until melted and drain. Add a little cooking oil that is not sticky and slide crackers. Second, seasoning much porridge and salt until fragrant smell. Then add meatballs, sauce that is cut, celery, let then stir. 4. Put crackers that have been drained before. Mix well. Add the beaten eggs and mix again, rather quickly so that the egg quickly clot. Add a little water, salt, and flavoring to taste. Next, let stand briefly until the water is somewhat reduced. And then enter a bit of soy sauce so that it feels more powerful and stirring constantly until blended. Last, prepare a bowl and pour into a bowl and sprinkle with fried onion on top seblak. Seblak wet, spicy, prepared at present and seblak it well steamed warm. By the time I was in elementary school until graduating from high school, I was a fat person, and then in grade 3 high school, I liked a beautiful woman in my class. She was very smart and charming. Then I tried to get her until graduate from high school. In February, finally, I told her that I love her, but she refused and said she doesn't like men who are a little bit fat. I was heartbroken. Then in March, I tried to diet and exercise. Starting from physical exercise to using dumbbells, I did. Not only dieting and exercising, I also tried to cook my food. Until July, my weight was from 94 to 85. And in August, I stopped exercising, just maintaining my diet until now. Thank you all for listening. It was my pleasure I can talk about that. Well, that is for me. Thank you very much.